Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a flip through of a journal I've made for a lady called Tina. Hummingbird Designs. I've probably got that wrong. I keep calling it that. Anyway, this is a journal I've made for her, which is for note taking. It's for a class that she's doing, and so that's what this is for. So if we go through, this is my normal size, so 6 across, 8 3/4, inch and 3/4 spine. Now what I've done with this one is actually just paint the cover, so the whole cover is a picture. So we've got I don't know if it's a night sky or a stormy sky. We've got raised embossed trees, a couple of rabbits, because that's what I was asked for. Now this is a new kind of texture paste to me. It's got really large mica flakes in it, and I've coloured it, it does come out white, but it really does look realistic, like rocks. I was dead impressed with it. Some coloured lint, and so if I open it out, sorry, I can't get the camera any better than that. Oh, the whole book is a picture, the whole cover. I was really pleased with that. So this video is being done after Tina has shown it on her channel. I will put a link to Tina's channel below so you can have a look at her sort of unboxing it. The rabbits have been heat embossed, so double heat embossed, just to give them a bit of shine, a bit of texture. So if we go inside, sorry, I keep looking at the camera because it's rather close. So we have a large envelope with a tag inside, and it's also open at the back. I've just put a little poem in the back just to sort of say. Now I've gone with this dreams, etc. lined pages. I wanted something a little softer, a little more feminine. I have made Tina a journal in the past, and it was very grungy, very rustic, and I thought, let's go for feminine. Now we've also gone, because the course has actually started in October, we've gone for months. Now these pictures, I've actually hand tinted them. I've gone over with some Inktense pencils just to give them a bit of colour. So I put it all together and thought, oh, they look very plain. So yes, lots of rabbits. I was asked for rabbits, so lots of them. I thought that looked like a nice wintry scene. The poem. So lots of writing space in this. Some bags. It's got a collage on the front with another tag. And stamps. So I've stamped on these. Oh, it's cold in here. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. The kids are all in bed. Hence shadows, so I do apologise for shadows. And that's the back of the bag. Another tag, another collage on there. And then we come to the back of the papers. Oh, sorry, a bit of sniffles. Got a nice hard frost outside. Other rabbits. And the second signature. So we have the tag. Actually, that has got to be my favourite one, a terrier. That's what Jasmine used to look like, my little dog. She was an old lady though, hence where the name razzerscrafts comes from, because she used to be called Razzer. Oh, sorry, sniffing this morning. So, December, with another poem underneath. And this is a little sort of half page. Oh yes, sheep in the snow. And I thought that was very appropriate. This is a 1930s music book. So, blow, blow thy winter wind. Okay, badges. And the back of the papers. There's lots of writing on this. Oh, got it. So that's flip out bit. I've tried to make the stenciling light enough that you can actually write over the top of it. Draft horse. You know, this book is from the 1820s, or the prints of this are from the 1820s. And that looks so pretty when you think of a draft horse today. Stamping. And there's a tag I made up of the picture. January. More hand colouring going on in there. Rabbits, very odd shaped rabbits, but they are rabbits. I've even managed to find a dictionary page with rabbits on. Actually, it's not. I think this is from a very old encyclopedia. There's even a bit about hedgehogs. Domestic pets, hedgehogs. Okay, squirrels for a change. Bit of poetry. More rabbits. I really hope you meant it, Tina, when you said you like rabbits. Oh. Right, now this is some perspex that I painted on, actually. I painted through a stencil on that one. Just to give a bit of an extra pocket. Very wintry scenes. An envelope. This one has got a tag inside. I won't take it off. I thought that little girl's dress deserved to be read. So that's what that is. Stamping. I have another tag. And March, we're into. Snowdrops. Perhaps they should have gone in January, February, but oh well. A Cornish page, Liscard. There's a collage that I've done. That's actually distress inks on the back. And the picture has been cut from an Edith Holden book. And then I've just taken the title and put it on the bottom. So it's folded over to make a pocket. Centre. And this one's the back. A little poem tag. And that's another Edith Holden picture that I've cut out. Same again. So I think there's a mix of distress oxides and normal just distress inks on that one. And the back of the pages. Field mice. A hare. So lots of space for note taking in this one. Another tag. Then we're on to April. I went a bit mad with the pencils on that one and really had sort of coloured the page in. That's another perspex tag that I've deliberately left open because it's easier to get the pages in and out. Some more poetry. Music paper about trees. And the centre. Primroses. They remind me of spring. This is a background I actually made with a jelly plate, and then I've stamped it. It's on cartridge paper and then sort of ripped and inked. And this is a coin envelope. I have left it open at the back, and there is a tag. And more papers. Stamping. And what we're on to? Oh, the last signature. So we have another little tag in there. And May. Which is when I'm sure she said her course finishes. So same thing again, there is a distress ink background, and that is an Edith Holden, the foxglove. I really like the foxgloves. Another tag. Now I think that's a thrush. I am probably wrong, but I think it's a thrush. Cornish Riviera. And the centre. Oh, okay. Maybe that was not a thrush. And this is the back. I've actually lined that because I didn't think the green, it seemed to absorb anything, and I think if you write on there with any kind of ink pen, I thought it was going to leak through, so I put some decent paper on the back. So it's a bit of texture paste, and the same on that one. Bit of stamping. The Terrier razzer. Sorry, my razzer. And the back page. So there we go. I'm loving how the cover turned out. That's a new one for me, and it's like one of those, why didn't I think of that before? I have no idea why I didn't think of that before. All I can say is it seemed to work really, really well. Right, Tina, by now you've had it, you've opened it, you've already had pictures, so I know you like it. Oh, thank goodness. It's always my life when you make something for someone. Well, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Take care, and I will speak to you all later. Bye.